Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for our practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Tom。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's talk about weather today for practical Hakka, 對不對？ Let's go ahead and teach you that line right there. 明天會下雨嗎？
天公熱，會落雨嗎？
天公熱，會落雨嗎？
海陸腔要講成掃咗會落水嗎？
Whoa, that's totally different than a different dialect. 掃咗什麼？
會落水嗎？
會落水嗎 ？Okay, this all means is it gonna rain tomorrow? 天公熱是這個視線，對不對？也就是明天。然後如果是海陸就變
掃咗，
然後下雨又不一樣。If it's raining, two different dialects.
落雨，
落雨 is 視線，
落水
is 海陸。It's going to be raining, so I would say, yeah, 明天會下雨，所以出門呢要記得帶把傘哦。
天公熱會落雨，
天公熱會落雨。
出門愛帶記仔，
出門哦 ，that means 出去啊，出門啊。
出門
愛帶
記仔，
記仔哦，所以記仔是 umbrella 嗎？是雨傘嗎？
記就是一支的意思啦。
哦，記啦，哦，所以仔才是 umbrella。
錯啊。
哦搞不好明天的天氣會很好，會出太陽。那如果是這樣的話，怎麼說 ？If it's gonna be sunny tomorrow，
唐講天公熱，天時會凍好。
唐貢是什麼？
聽說。
Oh, I heard. Okay, 唐貢 I heard. 天公熱。
天公熱。
天公熱。Again, that's tomorrow.
天時
就天氣嗎
？Yes.
Oh, the weather.
會凍好。
哦，會凍好。
會很好。
就會很好。OK， 那如果是要講，就直接說啊，出太陽了。
會出日頭。
哦，出日頭了，對吧？哦，其實有時候 Hakka really sounds like Taiwanese, so you can comprehend it easily. 會出日頭。And then perhaps it's going to be worse than just rain for the coming days or week. 有可能呢會說下周呢會有寒流哦，會很冷哦。There's going to be a cold front coming next week.
下禮拜會作寒。
下禮拜，我以為你要哈利路亞了。下禮拜，還是下禮拜 ？OK, next week.
會作寒。
會作寒。
就是會有寒流的意思。
哦，會作寒 that means there's going to be a cold front。
會凍寒哦。
會凍寒哦，感覺很冷的感覺哈。
會凍寒哦。
講話都要發抖。Okay, so it's going to be very cold, all right? 會凍寒哦。Okay, that does it for today's practical Hakka and keep yourselves warm. I'm Joseph Lin.
是母太家。
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.